IRA that's not growing as quickly as you had hoped and start earning more with Pacific Private Money. Join the thousands of Bay Area residents who have learned one of the best-kept secrets in investing. Learn more at pacificprivatemoney.com, pacificprivatemoney.com, or call us at 415-926-4444.
This is the Eye in the Sky Traffic Wash, brought to you by Ring Central. This is Neil, your eye on traffic, and today looks like a... You want my advice? Ditch the commute and connect on Ring Central. They put call, meet, and message all in one app, so you can connect with anyone, anytime. I'm hearing from Chet in the studio. You're breaking up, Chet. Looks like you should have called on Ring Central.
Ring Central. Simpler communications.
Wendy's new Strawberry Frosty is here, so check your watch. Is it Frosty time yet? It probably is. The hour hand would be on, I'm feeling snacky, and the minute hand would be on, relaxing with a rich, creamy Strawberry Frosty on a summer day, just digging into that smooth, chilly deliciousness and vibing. You know, depending on what kind of watch you have. When it's time for Frosty time, choose wisely. Choose Wendy's Frosty and Classic Chocolate or new Strawberry.
Limited time only at participating U.S. Wendy's. My heart was racing just making spaghetti. I could have waited to tell my doctor, but I didn't wait.
I was short of breath just reading a book. Telling my doctor, but I didn't wait.
They told their doctors and found out they have atrial fibrillation, a condition which makes it about 5 times more likely to have a stroke. If you have one or more of these symptoms, irregular heartbeat, heart racing, chest pain, shortness of breath, fatigue, or lightheadedness, this is no time to wait. Contact your doctor.
Brought to you by Bristol-Myers Squibb and Pfizer.
Want the very latest in sports? Listen for the Bay Area Chevy Dealers Sports Desk. Visit BayAreaChevroletDealers.com.
Coming up on KCBS.
I'm Jennifer Hodges. How gas prices could be affected by a somewhat obscure maritime law people are looking at.
KCBS News Time, 10:15. Time now for sports baseball. The Giants return home to host Arizona Monday night, having ended their road trip with a 12-0 win at San Diego. A's play at Texas Monday after losing to Houston at home today, 6-1. With more sports, here's Kevin Radich.
The Las Vegas Raiders made some history hiring Sandra Douglas Morgan as their new team president this week. Douglas Morgan is the first black woman to be named to that top executive position in NFL history, and she's no stranger